Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you the difference between DTAP and DTWP. DTAP is a diphtheria, tetanus and acellular pertussis vaccine. This is containing the similar dose of diphtheria and tetanus toxoid with acellular pertussis antigen. So difference between both the vaccine, there are four basic difference between these two vaccines. Differ according to the composition, differ according to the side effects, differ according to the efficacy and duration of protection. While both the vaccines similar in the dose, schedule and the site of administration, both are similar according to the maximum age limit. First difference between both the vaccine is composition. DTAP is containing the similar dose of diphtheria and tetanus toxoid with acellular pertussis antigen component. These components are purified antigen pertussis toxin, filamentous hemagglutinin, fembrile hemagglutinin and pertectin. There are various different brands of the acellular pertussis vaccine available in the market, almost more than 25. Differ according to the composition and quantity of pertussis antigen and differ according to the adjuvant and preservative used in the vaccine, differ according to the bacterial clone used for the proliferation of pertussis antigen. While the DTWP containing the whole cell pertussis bacilli, more than 4 international units per dose. Now second difference between both the vaccine is side effects. Side effects of DTAP is much less compared to the DTWP. Only local side effect and mild systemic side effect with the DTAP. That's why in the private practice they use the terminology painless vaccine for the DTAP. Only local side effect at the site of injection, pain, swelling and erythema can be there, and mild systemic side effect, fever, fatigue, headache can be there with the DTAP. While the DTWP is having the various severe systemic side effect, as I have already explained in the previous video, can have the persistent inconsolable cry, hyperpyrexia, can have the HHE or seizure or encephalopathy. So this is the second difference. Now third difference is efficacy. Efficacy of DTAP is less compared to the DTWP. As I have explained in the previous video also, efficacy of DTWP after giving the 3 primary dose more than 95%. While the efficacy of DTAP differ according to the composition. So if DTAP is containing more than 3 pertussis antigen component, then efficacy around 80 to 84%. If containing the only more than one component of acellular pertussis vaccine, then efficacy around 67 to 70%. Now last difference between these two vaccines is duration of protection. Duration of protection is much more with the DTWP compared to the DTAP. So these are the difference between these two vaccines according to the composition, side effects, efficacy and duration of protection. Now what are the similarity between both the vaccine? Both are similar according to the dose, site, route and schedule of administration. So we have to give the DTAP 0.5 ml intramuscular in anterolateral aspect of the thigh, and for booster we can give in the deltoid. After 7 years of age, we cannot give the DTAP, which is again similar to the DTWP. So maximum age limit for both the vaccine is similar after 7 years. If child is coming for the vaccination, in catch-up immunization, we have to use the TDAP. So this is all about the difference between DTAP and DTWP. Thank you so much.